Comsionistas, this is Diana Palma from the Communications Department and this is the BA Com Blog. With the purpose of educating the second-year Bachelor of Arts in Communication students, the Communication Department conducted its first ever two-day Communication Research Methodology Seminar Workshop last January 17 to 18 at Bibs Hostel.
On the first day, Mr. Ed Almazan left the students with an inspiring message.
I'm not telling you that it is going to be easy. What I am telling you, it's going to be worth it. I hope you find the importance of quality works, gargantuan paperworks, and never-ending researches. Research has a pivotal role in our society. It bridges the gap from what we do not know with understanding, and thus makes a basis for our actions for resolution or for call for change.
Followed by the lectures of Mr. Mark Andrew Gonzalez, a BA Communication chairperson who discussed about the Calitzi method, and Mr. John Cabin Sabonsolin, a BA Communication research coordinator who discussed about thematic analysis and triangulation. Short after, the workshop began for the students. On the second day, Dr. Retacio Gravoso, a guest speaker from the Visayas State University, tackled about the kinds of research, ways to locate a research problem, and gave them research tips to improve the researches.
The purpose of the seminar workshop is actually to empower the students as well as our faculty members in order to create researches, because in the past years or in the previous years, we are actually not acquainted in terms of how to make a research, and also our students are afraid to make researches for the development of our society. So the purpose also is to address the problem in terms of our accreditation in terms of researchers, because we don't have, sadly and unfortunately, we don't have enough researchers to suffice the needs of the department, as well as it is actually a good step for us to reach for our goal as a research-oriented university and research-oriented individuals. So the goal now of the department is to publish student researches in the future, and hopefully we can make it. And this seminar workshop is actually the first step to do it.
Truly, through a step-by-step process, Biliran Province State University will eventually reach its golden vision. I am Diana Palma and this is the BA